Problems cleaning your windshield inside and out? You can't clean what you can't reach. Until now. Introducing the Invisible Glass Reach and Clean Glass Cleaning Tool. Nothing is faster and easier for cleaning windshields, side and rear windows, and difficult-to-reach interior glass. Don't be fooled by cheap imitations. Only the Reach and Clean tool combines a super strong comfort grip handle with a patented Flow Tech triangle cleaning head that easily conforms to curved surfaces as it grips, pivots, and cleans even the tightest areas and corners. And it comes with a variety of premium microfiber bonnets that clean glass, remove dust, and power away dirt and grime. Scrub away the grime, then dry and shine. Reach and Clean wipes away condensation for better visibility and safer driving. Use the tool inside your home for sparkling mirrors and windows. Easily removes fingerprints and dog slobber off of glass doors. And the Reach and Clean handle works with any extension handle for even more reach. Use the scrubber bonnet to remove soap scum from shower doors, clean glass tabletops and bottoms without bending and straining, dust furniture, and even mop your floors. All the bonnets are reversible, washable, and reusable, saving you money. Invisible Glass Reach and Clean includes the handle, large triangle cleaning head, microfiber glass and dusting bonnets, and scrubber bonnet. Keep one in your car and one in your house for convenience. Nothing is faster and easier for cleaning than the Invisible Glass Reach and Clean tool. You'll love what it does for your home and car.